It is also successful signal, as you can see here. You can also see the overall signals that this indicator has given. In today's video, I'd like to introduce a strategy that I have been preparing for a long time for you. So let's see how we use this strategy. It's so easy and profitable strategy, so make sure to watch this video until the end. To add the first indicator, we go to the indicators tab and write trend filter to pole indicator. That's written by big Belug. As you can see here, this indicator shows us a line that shows overall trend. For example, if the price is going above this line switches to green and shows potential bullish trades signals, and if price is going below this line's color switches to red and it signals a potential short trades. So to filter out this type of false signals, we use the second indicator that almost everybody knows that indicator. The name of indicator is RSI. To add this indicator, we write indicator tab relative strength index this indicator, and we go to the settings. We just close RSI based moving average and make length 4, and I forgot its settings. We write here 32, 0.9, 5 and 1 in style section. We close these 5 ticks, and so our setup is ready for now. Let's see how we use this strategy. So let me start here. As you can see here, when the price is above this line, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and like the video. It shows us potential bullish trend. To get a trade, we need to confirm this bullish trend and get entry. So for buy position, we need to see this type of action. So this RSI line should go below this 30 level and its color should be red. Not like this. We need to see this type of red RSI color. So when it goes below this 30 level and back again up, I put here long position. As you can see here, I set my stop a little below this line, so not like this, it's a little bit wide, and my target is 1 to 2R, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So first trade is successful, and as you can see here, there is no any signals for buy position, and then it come again below certain level and back again up. I put here long position. As you can see here, in that candle, RSI crosses with this 30 level. As you can see here, it crosses and go up. I put here buy position. I put my stop a little bit wide below this line and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2R. It's also successful position. We use that strategy in 1 hour time frame. I'm introducing it Bitcoin, but it can be used all pairs. So let's see the signals in a row. As you can see here, the line switched to red, so it shows us potential short trades. So as you can see here, there is no any signal here because we don't see this type of green colors above RSI. As you can see here, when RSI line goes up and again come back and crosses with this 70 level, I put here short trade, short position. I put my stop a little bit wide above this line and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2R. It's also successful signal. And then it comes here, and actually there's no any green color here, but here there is green color on RSI, and as you can see here, our first indicator is already red. When it crosses with back 70 level, I put here short trades. It will be better to get entry when it goes below this first indicator. I put here short trade, short position, and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2. It's also successful signal. As you can see here, I didn't set my stop here. I set my stop a little bit wide above this red line, so there's no any other signals in this place. Let's continue in a row. There's no any short signal here because first indicator is yellow, so it doesn't confirm our short signal, and there's no any bullish trade opportunity as well here. As you can see here, again the line switched to red, and actually RSI is a little green. So when it crosses again with 70 level, I put here short trades. We will be stopped here or not. Yes, let's go to the next. As you can see here, RSI line goes up and there's no green color here, and we have green color here. As you can see here, RSI comes up and crosses with 70 line, and when it crosses with the 70 line, I put here short position. I put my stop a little bit wide above this red line and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to R. As you can see here, there is no crossing in this candle. After this crossing, I put here short trade. It is also stopped position. There is no any other trades in this zone. Then line switches to green and we wait for RSI to go below this 30 line, cross it back. When it crosses with 30 line, I put here buy position. I put my stop a little bit wide below this green line and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2R or 1 to 1.5. It is also successful trade, and as you can see here, RSI line is right there, and when it is crossing with this line, I put buy position here, put my stop little bit below this green line and make risk reward ratio 1 to 2R. Again, RSI goes below 30 level, again crosses with this level back, and I put buy position here. I put my stop a little bit wide, make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2R. It is also successful signal. Trend is changing here. I just look at short opportunities. As you can see here, we have just one signal here. In this candle, I put my stop here. It is stopped position. As you can see here, we have a bullish trend, like first indicator shows us we are in bullish trend, and we need to confirm for entry. As you can see, price goes below this 30 level and cross it back. So I put here buy position and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 2R and put my stop a little bit below this green line. As you can see here, then it also gives us a signal in this candle. It's not successful signal, but it can be break-even trade. So when it comes 1R, we can raise our stop to our entry. There's no any trade signals. You can also see the overall signals that this indicator has given. As you can see here, you can also see how this strategy works well. This trade is from the Bitcoin level 74,000 to 90,000, the Bitcoin price. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comments. See you guys in the next video. Good luck in your trading.